MV Pro here at Photonics West. We're here at the Emergent Vision Technologies booth with Eric. Eric, thank you for having us. You want to just give us a few words about Emergent and where you sit in the industry?
Sure. Thanks, Tom. So Emergent makes geeky camera systems for innovators. So we were the first to introduce 10, 25, and 100 geeky systems to the global market. And we really operate at where customers need peak performance from an overall camera system. So software, hardware, cameras, to get the outcome that they want.
Awesome. So, you focus on the high-speed vision. Where is that hitting limits already today in terms of sensors, interfaces, processing?
Well, so sensors and processing and everything are always pushing outward. And so you can find a great sensor from a company like Sony or G-Pixel integrated into a camera and then wed it to like increasingly sophisticated, powerful hardware. But where a lot of people are missing right now is like, how does that overall system work? Have you thought of like your software stack as it relates to the hardware and making sure that that complete system performs? And that's really what we focused on through integrating some key technologies from companies like NVIDIA.
Perfect. Okay, so in terms of like applications in the real world, what is getting your systems you've got here pulled out of your labs and being used in the real world?
Yeah, so we're at Photonics West. I think a couple of things are worth highlighting. One would be shortwave infrared cameras. And so semicon manufacturers want to be able to see into the different layers of the semicon wafer, and shortwave infrared gives them that insight. They can see to the other side of the wafer to find those fine defects that aren't visible in the visible light spectrum. So I think that's one thing to highlight is SWIR cameras, people looking for that. The other one is like AI at the edge and being able to use equipment like the new NVIDIA DGX Spark, which has native 100 gig ephemera compatibility to be able to do those advanced inspections. Like if you can imagine more than 100 megapixels at over 100 frames a second, you can see a whole lot of stuff with that. Yeah, that's pretty.
So in terms of getting high-speed vision cameras scaled into more deployed systems, what's the sort of next steps? What's barriers that you guys are going to overcome, and where's that roadmap?
I think where we're at is the systems are working for people. We have customers that have over 525 gig cameras in one array, and it works. It's over multiple servers, and we've thought of how all that infrastructure stacks up, and it works for them. And so I think we're there. I think it's that, the end user needs to think about how that complete system works, and like, does my vendor actually integrate all these things well? Have they made the right choices in terms of how they integrate? Are they based on standards like DigiVision 3.0, RDMA? And I think we're really doing that. We're really building this complete system. So the customer, for all the risks they take of being an innovator, can come to us and say, I believe that Emergent's going to deliver that system that's going to work at the end of the day for me, and I trust them to deliver what I need.
Perfect. Well, that's been really helpful. Just a nice short little visit there. So thank you for your time, Eric.
Yeah.